If you live somewhere that's hot, you need plants that can handle the heat. We're going to talk about the most heat-tolerant plants that we have, and we're starting today with perennials. I'm not going to get into all the details about each plant because there are a lot to talk about, but you can research each one of these to find out things like whether it's deer resistant, whether it's native, and things like that that are pertinent to your area. First up is hardy hibiscus. This is a perennial hibiscus, so it dies back each year and then regrows from the root, and they have just huge flowers, and they come in a bunch of different colors and sizes. Next is catmint. This one is actually my personal favorite. They come in quite a few different varieties, and they are awesome. You've seen me do videos about them before, and I cannot recommend this highly enough. Next is yarrow, and the butterflies go really crazy about this plant, and now it's available in quite a few different colors, including creams, whites, yellows, and reds. Next is artemisia, and although it doesn't have showy flowers, it does have this nice silvery foliage, which is really cool and really good in the landscape, and it's very, very tough as well. Native lantana is really good. It blooms like crazy, it loves the heat, it gets cool little berries on it, and the butterflies really, really love it. These are sedum or stonecrop, and they are a perennial succulent, and therefore they don't need as much water, and they come in a really wide range of sizes and colors and varieties. This is Delosperma or ice plant, and it comes in a wide variety of colors as well. A good succulent that creeps along the ground and just gets these really amazing little blooms. This is Echinacea or coneflower, and it comes in a wide variety of colors and sizes once again, and it is beautiful, and the butterflies will thank you for it. Coreopsis is another Texas native. Oftentimes you're going to see them in yellow or orange hues, but there are also some that are, like this one, creamy with a red center. This is Gara, or sometimes called whirling butterflies, and the little flowers do look like little butterflies, and as the wind moves them around, they just kind of dance in the breeze, and it's really unique and cool. Turk's cap has a really unique upright flower that hummingbirds go crazy for, and these are kind of shrubby, so they'll get pretty good size, like 3 to 4 foot tall and wide, and will tolerate sun or shade. This is Liatris, otherwise known as Blazing Star, and it's another native that is really awesome. I mean, just check out that bloom. Cannas will give you huge flowers. They come in a variety of leaf and flower colors, and they're very tropical looking and grow quickly, and they will tolerate that heat as long as they have enough water. This verbena is called Homestead Purple, and it's a great little native to have around. Daylilies are a really good beginner plant because they're super heat tolerant and they're drought tolerant and just overall easy to grow. This is Echinacea, which is a cross between Echinacea and Rudbeckia, and they're both very heat tolerant, and their offspring is also super heat tolerant. This is Gaillardia or Indian blanket or blanket flower. It's a great Texas native that blooms really, really beautifully and is extremely heat tolerant. Now, that's certainly not all of the heat-tolerant perennials that are out there, but I hope this can get you started in your journey to finding those plants that are a great fit for your hot garden.